Today, I want to explain the science behind shampoo and conditioner. Let's start with shampoo. The main purpose of shampoo is to clean your scalp and hair. Our scalp naturally produces an oily substance called sebum. On top of that, our hair can collect sweat, dead skin cells, dust, and residue from hair products. But there's a problem. Oil and water don't mix very well. So, simply washing oily hair with water isn't very effective. This is where shampoo comes in. Shampoo contains substances called surfactants. A surfactant has two different parts. One part interacts well with oil, while the other part interacts well with water. The oil-loving part attaches to or interacts with the oil on your hair and scalp. At the same time, the water-loving part interacts with water. The surfactant help disperse the oil into tiny droplets and keep those droplets suspended in the water. Then, when you rinse your hair, the water can carry those oily substances away. So, in a simple way, you can think of a surfactant as a bridge between oil and water. It doesn't make oil and water completely mixed together. Instead, it allows oily substances to become dispersed in water so they can be rinsed away. The same basic principle is used in many other cleaning products. Of course, the formulas are different because each product is designed for a different purpose. Now let's talk about conditioning. Hair is made mainly of a protein called keratin. The part of your hair that you can see is not living tissue. It's made mostly of hardened keratinized cells. The outside of the hair shaft is covered by a protective layer called the cuticle. The cuticle is made of overlapping scales, somewhat like roof tiles. When the hair is healthy, these cuticles lie relatively smoothly, but heat, bleaching, coloring chemicals, friction, and other types of damage can affect the hair surface. That's one reason damaged hair can feel rough, dry, or tangled. This is where conditioner becomes important. Conditioner doesn't bring that hair back to life. It doesn't literally rebuild your hair and make damaged hair biologically new again. Instead, conditioner deposits a thin layer of conditioning ingredients on the surface of the hair. This coating can make the hair surface smoother and reduce friction between individual hairs. The hairs can slide past each other more easily, which can mean less tangling, easier combing, and a smoother, softer feeling. Conditioner does not actually repair that hair. Instead, it changes the surface properties of the hair and makes it feel and behave better. This is one reason conditioner is generally applied more to the middle and ends of the hair rather than heavily on the scalp. And this is the interesting thing about science. It's not just something we study in a textbook, it's happening every time we wash our hair.